I'm gonna leave the finger in there. You don't want finger in your head, do you? I'm just gonna pour the, do you mind if I just pour the blood? Okay, watch guys, you're gonna see me. Okay? Does everybody agree that there's blood in there? Is there any blood left here? Okay, so what I want you to, don't say anything, but yes, I did a similar trick like this way, way, way long time ago. And when I did it, you guys were going, oh my God, that was so cool, but you didn't know the science behind it. Take a minute, talk to your partner. What do you think is going to happen in relation to polymers? Real quick.
Oh, okay.
Real quick, anybody take a quick stab at what you think is going to happen? You saw the liquid go in there. Yes. It's going to turn into a solid. How could something, move your hand now, and now you're about to get wet, okay? Do you all see that that red liquid is in there?
Yes.
I didn't cheat. You saw me pour it in there. As a matter of fact, I picked the white cup so that you could see that it's still in there, right? So I want you to think, how can a liquid turn into a solid?